Everybody loves a bit of sunshine, but let's be honest, sometimes it can be just a little too much. But I'll show you a way to enjoy summer at its best without the sunburn. All you need is a shading sail. It's trendy, practical, simple, and also protects from rain. Nortene Sunnet Kit is also just as versatile, but also easy to install. Not to mention its price, that is much more reasonable than most other sails on the market. No doubt one of the most important features of a shading sail are its materials. It's made of premium quality, UV-resistant polyethylene, allowing only 10% of light through. The Sunnet Kit is a permeable woven mesh which is recommended for windy areas. The temperature under its shading area decreases more than under other products. These corrosion-resistant rings will withstand the worst weather can offer, even in outdoor areas where de-icing salts are common. And how is this fantastic performance possible? The answer is 316 stainless steel. That's why Nortene will give up to 10 years guarantee on these metal rings and the whole sail itself. That is a very long time. How do we install Sunnet Kit elastic? The first and most important is to have a thorough plan. Check where you will install the sail and remember the good old phrase, measure twice, cut once. And last but not least, it is very important that sails should always have at least 30% inclination so that water can run off them. The Sunnet Kit Elastic is the latest concept from Nortene, which has the wonderful capability of being elastic, as you can see. Thanks to this, there will be no wrinkles in the sail and consequently water cannot accumulate. If colour variety is your thing, you will love our next item. Sunnet Kit Polyester comes in 4 vivid colours: grey, blue, green and brown. And there's more. Here's something completely different. Well, slightly different. Sahara follows a military design and lets through more sun and wind, creating a lovely natural game of shadows. The sun is shining, as Bob Marley said it, and I can enjoy it without being cooked alive. Thanks, Nortene.